Okay, today we're going to review how to get into EDesign now that Flash has disappeared. This is very important because it's going to block you from doing anything in there. So the first thing you want to do is to go to myhjyearbook.com. Then you'll sign in like you normally would. Then you're going to get Design Launch Citrix from that pull-down menu. Now, when a Microsoft sign-in comes up, you're not going to sign in like you normally do in Microsoft, okay? Just for the eDesign program. In other classes, of course, it'll be like your normal Microsoft would be. So you type in your eDesign login, such as Gabe Elder 21 or Jonna Williams 21 at users.hjedesign.com. So it's very different, so make sure you note that. Everyone's password now for eDesign is going to be capital Lens 14587. That's capital LENS 14587. Then you sign in. You can have it, remember it if you're sure. Stay signed in, yes. Then you're going to get the Citrix Workplace. Now you should have an app that says Herff Jones eDesign. If you do not, you may have to go over here in Apps and click that to activate it. So if you have it, just click on it. Now you're going to sign into eDesign your old way, whatever your credentials are. Now what happens that if you notice up here, you're using eDesign now in the cloud, okay? That was the only way they could use or bypass Flash by using Citrix, and you'll go to Book and you should be in your ladder. It is a few extra steps. Next year will be totally different. They should have everything revamped and all, which won't affect you guys anyway, but for people that are underclassmen, it will. So it's something they had to do because Flash went away December the 31st. This has been in the makings for years due to security reasons. And you'll note that when I mentioned that in Monday's lesson. So in Monday's lesson is a list, there's a tile, a slide of the login directions I just went through on the screencast, but also I put it on your home page, looking under the resources button if you need to find it quickly too. So when you go in, everything now should be worked from the cloud. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Let me know by email.